It's vlogmas day. What day is it? 13th? I think it's the 13th today. We're gonna make some food. I'm wearing my comfy ass sweater because it's fucking cold. Like, it's really cold. I don't care if I look crazy. I'm fucking comfortable. Make myself a bagel. Some quesito crema. If I can find it, where the fuck is it? Hey, yo! That's the only thing about being tall is that, like, when you have a fridge that's this size, like, it's so hard to see what's here because you have to, like, literally fucking break your back to see what the fuck's in there. I'm so sad because we haven't been going to the gym. Mostly my husband's been feeling a little bit sick, so we haven't been going. But it makes me kind of sad because, like, I genuinely, like, want to go. Like, I want to get back in my fitness and get back into my routine because I know that, like, when I go work out in the morning, I feel like a bad bitch. Like, no joke. I feel like I can take on the whole fucking world when I go to the gym at 4 a.m. Okay, so there's, like, a surprise coming up this month. A big surprise coming up this month. Mostly not for me. Like, it's not a surprise for me, but it's gonna be a surprise for y'all. On the website or on the order, the tracking information, it says that it's supposed to be here today, or it's ready to be picked up today, but it's not showing up that it's picked up, that it's ready to get picked up today. And then it says, like, Monday the 19th it's gonna be available, and I'm like, bruh, like, can I just... These have been lifesavers. I'll show you guys right now, hold on. Since I'm out of the filters for my coffee, this one already has one, so it's like, it's perfection. It smells so good too, oh my god. And it's less of a mess. Like, literally, it's just pull it out and throw it away and put in a new one. Just like that, baby girl. You guys, Christmas came early. Oh my god. I'm in complete shock because I didn't think this moment was ever gonna happen, but look what your girl got. What? This is crazy. What the hell? I'm about to unbox it on TikTok, so insert clips, but you guys, prepare for all the YouTube videos now, okay? I have no excuse. I have everything I need. I have everything I need. I have everything I need now. There's no excuse, you guys. What the fuck is life? This is real life. Okay, I'm gonna unbox this on TikTok, so I'll see you there. Oh my god, like, literally, I'm not gonna lie, I have the best parents and the best husband who believe in me and who see my hard work and that hear when I'm complaining. I'm in complete shock right now, but let's unbox this before I wait longer. So let's go do that on TikTok real quick. Never mind, it doesn't want to work on my phone because I have no storage, but that's not gonna be a problem anymore because... Let's unbox this. Let's unbox it. I wish I did an aesthetic one, but it's not gonna work. But it's okay. It's the same thing, right? It's the same thing. So let's unbox. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, ready? You ready for this? Let me tilt you down so you can see. See? She is sexy. She is beautiful. She is grace. Look at this. It's so tiny. I thought it was gonna be bigger for some reason, but there she is. We're unboxing her. We got her in space gray because I love the dark color. And then here is the, oh my god, it's so thin. Look at this. What the hell? Okay, we have the charger right here, the cable. We have the instructions / stickers for the MacBook. And we I wonder if we have the stickers. Yay, we have stickers! Okay, I'm gonna save these. I'm gonna save these. You can hear Paul going crazy because he's vibing off of my energy right now. I'm just so excited! What the fuck? Okay, and then here is the box for the charger. Let's get that out. It's official. Your girl is gonna be dropping YouTube videos every fucking week now. Okay, let's save the box. I'm just so excited. I'm so excited that this is happening. What the fuck is life? Look at this. It's still. It's turned on. You guys, what the hell is life right now? Okay, I'm gonna sign in and start doing the stuff, and then I'll check back in with y'all. Okay, let's do that.